guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're doing something really spontaneous. I'm in the middle of finals week and I'm losing my mind. Hold on, pause. Sorry guys, I'm back. Yeah, I'm in the middle of finals week. I'm about to go home. It's about to be Thanksgiving. I can't wait. I need a freaking break, okay? I need a freaking break. Yeah, so today we're dyeing my hair pink, as you can tell by the title. This is what I'm working with. I'm really sad to get rid of this wash and go because you can't tell. This is amazing. This is 2-day hair. I'm trying new products. I'm not gonna tell you what they are yet, but yeah, I'm absolutely in love. My hair's never looked this good. Like, I don't think ever. Favorites video coming soon. So I think I have all my materials. I have my shirt that I don't care about. I have a scrunchie. I have some clips on my shirt. I got some aluminum foil because I'm doing 3 different shades and I don't want them to touch. I have a little rat tooth tail comb, and then I have my three different hair dyes. So I've done a tester strand a couple weeks ago. I don't know. Can you guys even see that? I don't know. But you can see it, a little tester strand. Right here. Ish. Strands, maybe. It was probably like clumped together. So okay, the strand that I did that with the Adore 140 in neon pink, and I'll make sure to link all these below. Next, I'm going in with the rose gold Temptation, and this is by Kiss. And then the last one is another Adore one. This is the 190 cotton candy. I got all. Is this gonna focus? No, it's not. Oh, yes, it is. I'll link it all below, as I said. Yeah, so I got all these at my local hair store. I picked 3 different shades because I kind of want like a, you know, like if you can put this in a word, that's what I want in my hair. I'm not doing my whole head because I'm indecisive. I'm not indecisive. I know what I want. I just don't want it all right now. So I think I'm gonna like split half, like a half and half, like I just said that. But you know what I mean? Like when you do the half up, half down, I'm gonna do that type of vibe. I'm not gonna do anything exactly, and I'm gonna cry because these curls look perfect, but it's okay. So like I really just want the back, but that's not fair, right? I should just do it all under. Okay, I just made up my mind, I think. Please do not dye your hair if your hair is damaged. If you are transitioning, you might want to leave that alone too. You may not want to take after me. You might want to go to the actual salon. Can I see the back of my head? No. But back of my head gonna get done. So I think I don't want this layer. See, my hair's in layers, so it's like I want the bottom layer of it all. I can always do less, you know. If I want to go back and put some more in, then I'll do that. So I'm going to put all of this up. I should be wearing gloves, but you know I'm not going to. What we're going to take my first clip, twist this side, and just simply put it up. Oh, that's falling, I think. Okay. Sorry as I'm looking down. I need to, all eyes on deck. Oh, I have one of those brushes, you know. I don't think I need to do that. I have dyed my hair before, if you are questioning my abilities right now. I have dyed my hair before. I've dyed, well, usually my mom would dye my hair. Okay, backing that up, rewind. I've done my hair red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple, haven't done pink. I've done every color in the book except pink. So today's the day. Usually my mom would dye my hair. I've got my hair dyed professionally a couple times, but typically my mom did my hair. But she's not here right now, and when she watches this, she's gonna kill me. So yeah, we're gonna do it anyways. Love you, you're so cute. Okay, so I believe cotton candy is the lightest color. I want that pastel-y vibe, but I want like hints of pink. I was looking on Pinterest, couldn't find anything. My camera's dying, so I'm gonna stop talking. Oh my gosh, guys, I'm not prepared for this at all. First strand, here we go. So this is like literally like translucent E. I'm gonna take this strand. And I literally just want my ends. Oh yeah, and then I'm gonna be doing different colors. I really should use gloves. It's okay. 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 It's official. We done started now. Do I need the foil? I don't think I need it. My hands are like a mess. Yep, wiping it on my shirt because that's what I'm doing. Guys, here we go. Next color. I can't even open this. It's gonna come out. Oh god, this just came right out. Okay, so the lighter colors are kind of dark, translucent-y when they come out. Oh, I don't know what color. My hair is blonde, so I don't have to worry about like any bleach or anything. And that's the thing. That's why I didn't want to do no crazy color that would fade like kind of crazy or funky. Because getting blonde was hard, and I've been blonde for a couple months. Not even. I've been blonde for like 3 or 4 months. Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! See, so I shouldn't be talking. There goes the foil. Okay, and lastly, because it's my camera's dying, I'm going in with the neon pink. And all this is already kind of neon pink, so I'm just gonna go. Oh, I know y'all see my hands. I know you guys are watching this like, wow, she's an idiot, but okay. Oh, that looks nice. I missed a strand back there. That is beautiful. If you're looking for something to dye your hair pink, here it is. I always said I'd never do it, but now it's like the only color I'm missing. Okay. Here's one side of my head. I kind of figured out, okay, ignore my hands. Kind of figured out like the way I want to do this. So like I'll pick a piece, like I'll pick how I want to do it. I've been doing like for every three pieces I'll do like one neon. I'll go through and I'll do all the neon, not all the neon. I'll do all like the cotton candy color, and then I'll kind of wipe my hands off and then go back in with the other color instead of like mixing them. I do the same thing with my comb. So yeah, but I'll be back again when I'm done. Yeah, I'm feeling the eyebrows today. But yeah. Okay, here we go. The deed is done. I'm going to put this in a little cap for about 30 minutes. Oh, don't look at the mess. Don't look at the mess. I made a mess. Oh, it's on my face. Learn from my mistakes, guys. So I'm gonna leave this in for about an hour, charge my phone, wash this out, and I'll see you guys back when my hair is done and styled. It's gonna be 2 seconds for you and a couple hours for me. I did want to show you guys how it looked while it was wet, so cross fingers. Gonna style my hair. Guys, my hair is pink. It is officially pink. Are you guys ready to see it? Okay, you ready? Drum roll. 3, 2, 1. Okay. It's pink. I can see the different shades. I could have done a little less of the neon, but I'm really satisfied with it. What is this curl doing? As you see, no curl damage. They're looking cute. They're not fully dry yet, so I'm gonna wait till they're fully dry, and then I'm gonna style my hair. But it's looking good. I'm excited. It's pink, but it's definitely a big contrast. I should have did maybe no neon pink, but it's gonna fade, so I'm not stressing, and I can always do my whole head if I wanted to. There's that too. I styled my hair. I was nervous nervous at first. I definitely was, but I think it's giving what I wanted. It's a game, you know. It's like, it's something slight, especially because like if I'm out, I'm walking. So, oh my gosh, look at your hair. Oh really? You do? You do. I like it. I like it. It's different. It's something I haven't seen. I'm really happy with it. I was real nervous at first. I was real nervous. But I'm pretty happy with it. Especially, I think I'm ready. It's showing up in the camera a little darker than what it is. But I think once it fades, like after I take a shower for like a couple days, oh, my hair's not gonna get wet. After I wash my hair a couple times, it'll fade. And I think that will be like the perfect shade that I'm looking for. But I love it, you know. And as of right now, you and me are the only ones that knows that I dyed my hair pink. Nobody that, like, I told nobody on this earth because I want to see people's true reaction. So we'll see. You guys are the first to know. Well, actually, when this video comes out, people will know. But you guys are the first to know, okay? That's not the point. Oh, that's not cute. It's not cute. Okay, it's okay. But thank you guys for watching. I did make a mess. Oh look, my hands don't look as bad now. So yeah, I didn't make a mess, as messy as it was. But I will link all the hair dye that I use down below. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I will see you guys next time. Keep staying safe for me. Please stay safe, stay safe. And I'll see you guys next time. Toodles!